Hi, it's Dean for anything OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's just hold for a while the empty space on our home screen, and after that you'll see here widgets icon. Just tap on it, and after that you'll see here all the available applications what widgets we can add. For example, let's use one from these available widgets. I'll use the calendar schedule. Just to add it to your home screen, click once on the widget and now it's added successfully. Let's click to done. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. We can also create the new screens with the widget. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and tap to remove icon. After that, click remove widget button, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.